Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today we are cooking dry fish curry. Clean the dry fish well to avoid foul smell. Firstly, take tamarind and add water and let it soak. Now grab a pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add onions. Now add salt as per taste. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. Add curry leaves and 5 squashed garlic cloves. Once the onions are cooked, add chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add coriander powder 2 tablespoons. Now add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I like this dish spicy. You can reduce it if you don't want. Now add clean dry fish and mix it well. Now add the tamarind-soaked water. Now see the taste and add if salt is required. Once the curry gets thicker, add coriander leaves and mix it well. Now your dish is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.